This video tutorial I will explain what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Here you can see software application which is developed using Java. Here you can see software application which is developed using .NET. And using API, these two different applications or services can talk to each other and work together. Let us start with a simple analogy. Imagine you are in the restaurant. You want to order the food. You don't need to know how the kitchen works and what ingredients are used. You just need to communicate your order to the waiter and the waiter take care of the rest. In this scenario, waiter acts as a intermediary between you and the kitchen, allowing you to request specific dishes without worrying about the details of how they are prepared. In the world of technology, API works in a similar way. It acts as a middleman, enabling different software applications to communicate and interact with each other, just like waiter in the restaurant. API defines set of rules and protocols that allow different software systems to exchange information and perform a certain task. An API provides a simplified way for developers to access the functionality of another software application or service without needing to understand its internal working. And API exposes set of clearly defined methods, functions, and data structures that developers can use to request specific actions or retrieve information from the application or service. To put it simply, API is like a menu in the restaurant. It provides a list of available options and specifies how to make a request. And developers can use these options to build their own applications or extend the functionality of existing ones without needing to know all the intricate details of how the underlying software works. In summary, API is a way for software applications to communicate and interact with each other by providing a set of predefined rules and functions. Just like waiter in the restaurant facilitates communication between the customers and the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.